fan of gin.
Big gin.
So we are in Alicante. We haven't done much vlogging because we've been too busy having a nice relaxing time. It's amazing sunshine and the weather at home is pretty rubbish, so that's good. Not that good is the fact that it's rubbish weather, it's just good that it's nice here. Anyway, just have some dinner, some drinks. Definitely recommend Alicante. It's the first time I've been, well, it's the first time we've been, so really nice place to come. Very nice place. Love the decor. Thank you. Just finished our dinner, but ordered another dish because we like food. Sushi was amazing. Dragon, the tempura prawn was. What are you doing, David?
Setting the drone up.
Yeah.
Going to attempt a pier flight. See how this goes.
Guys,